This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. Your custom creation. Okay, you have aced the use of conditional statements and logical operator. Conditional statements are if statements, logical operator are like and things of that nature, in order to bring your code feed quiz to the masses. But the masses would get tired of just one quiz, right? Of course. Now the time is to add your own unique flair. Awesome. So I'm going to head down to 4 here, and we get to the set property command is used to set all of the text and images. I want to show you how this works real quick. So like set up the quiz, set property question 1. Let's head over to question 1 screen, and let's see. Look, right here, the ID of this is question 1. So what this does is say, hey, computer, set the property of question 1, this thing, equal to, what's it going to be equal to? Text. Okay, and what's that text going to be? Because really, this is just a box, right? This is an empty box. I can put a W here, an A, whatever I want. This is just where the content's going to go, and this is the ID of it. So what we're doing with the code here is saying, hey, grab this thing, we're going to put text in there, and what's the text we're going to put? What is your favorite texture? And so now we get to customize this however we want. So, I'm going to say, what is your favorite mood? And the reason I'm doing this is because now I can click here and I can change these up. But first I'm actually going to change up my images to see my options. Choose. Now, of course, you can upload or you can go anywhere on the web and grab the link to the image. I'm just going to use the icons because, hey, they're right here. So, oh, they only have, okay, so smile. And so that will be the first one. And I'll say happy. I don't know who's going to answer anything other than happy, but okay, sure. Sad. And then blah. And I need one more mood out of these icons, which is great. I'll use this and I'll say chatty. Okay. And let's just test that out real quick, just to see if I have the right idea here. Start quiz, and look, happy, sad, blah, or chatty. And I can keep going with this. And let's see, for my second one, I'm going to say, what do you spend the most time on? And then I chose, this is tablet. I'm going to call it phone. I don't care. Video games and bed. Cool. And now I'm going to do something with the third as well. Cool. And so my last one I did, what job would you want to do? Let's see how this all worked. Yep, so happy I'll say, where do you spend most computer I'll say, and software developer of course. And then we can keep going. We can even customize the results of course to whatever we would like. So I'll do the kernel one just as an example. So I'm going to pick a new image. And so the kernel one is if they pick the first ones the most, which would be computer and happy and astronaut. Okay. For me at least. And I'm going to say if they likely chose a computer and they're happy and that they're an astronaut, they're a future globetrotter. And I don't know, I'll say something pithy here. And of course I said something appropriately teacherly corny. You are a tech wizard with big dreams. The world is yours for the taking. And so now, bloop, start, bloom, 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 and future globetrotter. And again, guys, I can go grab images from wherever's on the internet, and instead of doing icon, I can just do choose and do a link. So students, when you customize this, make it your own. And do make sure to customize each of the final answers, but make it fun. Go to the internet, get some cool images. Now, they did have a few other challenges, I think, added onto the bottom of this, and I'll do that in my next video. But yeah, this is looking good. Onward.